A Hornet that works perfect almost. Just needs a little more steering. Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. I'm here with the Hornet EVO, freshly built. We got it on 2S LiPo, and we're gonna run this sucker and see how it goes. It's windy out today, so I don't know if you'll hear me good, but I'm going for it. I have some little muffs on the GoPro, so let's test this beauty out. Definitely has the understeer. Don't feel like a Hornet. It's not bouncing. What the hell? It's not bouncing, guys. I don't hear that clanky sound anymore. Let's see in this ditch over here. Nothing. Oh my word. Not a clanking clunk. What the hell? Oh, almost hit the rock. Alright, I got a stick in here. Let's bring it on the field and see what it does. This got the stock 540 motor in it. I'm definitely gonna have to upgrade this beauty. Probably put something a little faster. Look at them knobbies, they rip. You can see the paint job. Well, you see me in it, but hard to see. It's not real sunny out today. There it is. Check it over some rough stuff here. See what this Hornet's made of. Oh my God. Guys, it don't bounce like the old one. It does have a lot of understeer. You can't swing out the back, so you probably have to make the rear stiffer, the springs in the front softer to get more steering out of it. But it rides good. This isn't the stuff I wanted to bring in. It's still moist and wet. The sand is making a mess of this thing. I'm gonna bring it out on the grass right after this. Alright, let's go on the grass with it, guys. This is too mucky. Definitely not the Hornet. It just jumps right on the grass like this. Oh, there goes my body. Like when I come down off the grass here. Oh, it did a wheelie. Like this. It just lands and goes plump. It don't bounce like a Hornet. A lot of people would be like, it's not as fun as the Hornet. Just don't give you that fun factor of the Hornet. Oh, there goes my body. Definitely needs more steering. That kind of sounded like the Hornet. Alright, let's see what she looks like after that run. Everything's intact. Body's still looking good. It's so windy out here, guys. Definitely needs more steering though. Oh! Oh! A Hornet that works perfect almost. Just needs a little more steering. Man, I love getting the sticks in the side here. Fun. Alrighty. That's it with the Hornet. Holy smokes. She ran like a beauty. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll tell you, it takes the feeling out of the Hornet, if you know what I mean. It just don't feel like a Hornet anymore. Sometimes when you jump a little, it makes a little sound and you're like, oh, it's a Hornet. But it doesn't give you that effect of that clanking, clunking sound you're used to and the bouncing and bobbling. But works way better than the Hornet, guys. If you want a better working Hornet with a nice body, Hornet body on it, I say go for it. The only thing you got to do is get the front to have more steering. Probably have to make the front softer like I said before, and the rear harder, the springs. Maybe softer oil in the front. Maybe you could get knobby tires in the front to help it turn. I don't know. Anyhow, guys, hope you enjoyed it. There's my Hornet EVO. First time running. And stay tuned. Next I'm going to have a video comparing this one next to the old classic Hornet on the different terrains and see the difference between the two buggies. See you next time, guys. ShenRC out. Later. Sub, like, do all the good stuff for me, brothers.